Welcome to your Snappy food box. First, take out all of your ingredients. Here you will find a divider which will contain your meat in the bottom. Always know, separate your meat from the food. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Now time to wash your vegetables. After that, you want to cut the bottom part of the asparagus and make sure you throw it away. Cut your asparagus to 3 equal parts. Add into a bowl. Put to the side and start cutting your tomatoes into small equal parts. Might not be equal, but your way is the best. Now that your potatoes are all cut, put to your tray and spread them out and add your seasoning. Make sure she saves some for the asparagus. Now put this aside with your asparagus. Now you can put your tomatoes into the oven for 15 minutes. Time to season your asparagus with the extra seasoning from the other parts. Mix well. Now put it in your tray and set it aside. Time for pork chops. Take your skillet and put it on medium heat to get hot. Open your pork chops, separate. Now mix your seasoning with the Dijon mustard and mix well and add to your pork chops. Make sure to season all sides. Now add your oil to your pan and add your pork chops. You know when they're ready when they have this golden look. Ta-da! Now open your sauce and add. Now add to low heat, and now you can add your asparagus with your potatoes for 5 minutes. Turn your heat off and cover and put aside off heat. Now that your 5 minutes have been over, take out your vegetables. Now that everything's ready, mix your potatoes and your asparagus to make the delicious mix. Plate it, add your pork chop, and don't forget that yummy sauce. I hope you enjoy.